Hello queens and kings, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. In this video I am just quickly going to share this mac and cheese recipe with you, and I'm making it the vegan way, my way, so stay tuned. Here are the ingredients that I'm using. I will list everything down below in the description box. First of all, I am going to start by infusing some flavors into the ingredient that I'm using, and I'm adding some olive oil to the pan. I'm going to preheat it, and once it's hot, I'm going to go ahead and add some diced onions in here, and some fresh rosemary as well. Of course, my garlic. Just gonna mix or saute that for about few minutes, 1 or 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some fresh parsley and black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and saute that for about 20 seconds. Then I'm adding my vegetable broth and more water. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my carrot, which I've peeled and washed properly, and also my sweet potatoes. You can use normal potatoes for this recipe. And of course some salt and a small onion. And then I'll be adding some paprika as well. Then a little bit of water. I'm going to cover and bring it to a boil on a medium heat until it's soft. And here I'm bringing some water to the boil. I've added some salt there. Once it's hot, I'm going to go ahead and add my macaroni. And I'm going to let that cook for about 9-10 minutes. So coming back to my stuff, here is completely soft. So I'm going to remove it and then transfer it into my blender with the nuts, which I'm going to blend together. The macaroni is ready. I'm going to receive the water and save it for later use. I'll be adding it in here. So here I'm combining my nuts in here as well as some butter, and I've blended that to a smooth paste. And then I'm adding some vegan cheese to it. You can add parmesan if that's what you have. So that is all blended and smooth. I'm now going to pour that over my macaroni and mix it together for a creamy consistency. I've added some of the water from the macaroni to my paste because it was too thick. If you wanted it a little more runnier, then you can add more water if you want. Now I'm going to transfer this into my baking pan. This tastes really good without having to bake it. If you want, you can leave it this way, and I didn't use all the paste. So I am just adding a little bit of my vegan cheese on here, and I will be adding a little bit of mozzarella as well. You can add panko bread to it if you want. You can add extra cheese. Yeah, so that's it. I'm opting for a healthier choice, you know. So yeah. So I'm adding the mozzarella now, and I'm only going to bake this for about 15 minutes on 180 degrees. My oven was already on and very hot. If you have already watched my latest video, which was the lamb shoulder, I had this with it. This was the side that I had with it, and trust me, this tastes so good. It tastes so good. When I say good, I'm not even joking. It tastes amazing, and I think I'm going to stick to these rather than the actual mac and cheese. And this is how it went down. I hope you enjoyed your Christmas. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, thumbs up for me, subscribe, share, and also support my channel. Thank you, and bye bye for now.